Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question from Canva Tip and Hacks Facebook group. The question is, does anyone knows how to do this kind of text style? Let's go to Canva. I use Instagram post portrait size here, and then type here the color that you want. For example, that green, I will type here green. In the photo, I will choose this one. The second color is pink. Enter in the photo also, I will choose this one. Okay, so we have two photo that a flat color here, and then go to apps and type here font, enter, choose font frame, and then Kim. So I will type here Kim. On the frame border, click here, and I will make it 0. And then I will change the font to this one. Okay, you can change to any font you like. And then scroll down, and you have select this green, so use selected image. Scroll up and you have this one, and then add to design. Okay, and then scroll down, select this pink, scroll down and use selected image. So now it becomes pink, and then add to design. I will type here min, and I will select the green and use selected image and add to design. I will select the pink, use selected image and add to design. Okay, now remove all this color element. Move it here and then select those both Kim. Place one right on the other on the right position, and then just crop it like this. All right. Now the min, just reduce the size and the Q. So now you have it. If you like this tutorial, please share the link to your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.